Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating software bottlenecks. Update Solo 4 firmware and your device OS, because firmware fixes can unlock full driver gain. Once done, turn off ANC and spatial modes. They can lower peak output. Make sure the source app and system volume are at 100% and check settings for any 0-100% limiters or smart volume features. Disable them. Now you've set the baseline so hardware changes will actually increase perceived loudness without chasing phantom issues. Now you focus on gain staging and tonal clarity. You want a flat chain. Set the app gain, then system gain, then the Solo 4 to their practical maximum so nothing is attenuating earlier. Next, apply a surgical EQ, a narrow mid-high boost of about +3 to +6 dB centered where vocals and transients sit. This makes drums and hats punchier and perceived louder. Also use good quality source files. High compression kills dynamics, while cleaner masters let louder peaks come through without distortion. Finish by introducing a proper inline DAC/amp if the Solo 4 still lacks headroom. A low noise, low output impedance amp raises maximum clean volume. Once connected, listen critically. If you hear distortion, back off EQ boosts or lower the source by about 3 dB to regain clean headroom. Make sure to test alternate USB-C or Bluetooth profiles and restart the device after each change. If things go wrong, disable the amp and reset Solo 4 settings. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.